Hey guys, welcome back, man. This is a double whammy Corvette C2 C8. This is awesome, man. We got both ends of the spectrum.
Yeah, it's really cool. We were just talking about what a cool old hot rod this is, man. It's wild to see Corvette go through this dynamic shift from kind of a muscle car to what is a supercar nowadays. But these are awesome, man.
Yeah.
These are wicked small blocks once you dial them in, and this is a way we're doing it with FiTech, because we've all seen carburetor problems. We've all had carburetor problems, especially something like this. You let it sit. I've got a showroom. We've got a bunch of cars in there, and they sit. And if they sit for longer than 8 months to a year or so, what happens? You get leaks, and a ton of them.
You get varnish.
Yeah,
and,
man, the needles in the seat don't work, and all that's eliminated, right, once you go to fuel injection. It really is.
Yeah, there's no better upgrade for an older car
For sure.
than EFI. And we've got the Go EFI 4 from FiTech. Man, this thing is flat black. And it's
sick.
all self-learning, man. Self-tuning makes things so easy. You can almost essentially just bolt it on, let it learn.
Yeah.
Right? Program in a couple of basics so it's got a good starting point. It figures it out.
Yeah, it's super intuitive. I've got a few of these systems, and you just really answer a few questions right here, and then boom, you're off and running. It gives you enough data to start it, and then once you drive it, it learns the parameters, fuel efficiency, air-fuel ratios, and so forth.
It's got the ECU inside.
Integrated into it.
Yeah, so you don't have a lot more wiring. It just keeps all the clutter down, makes it nice and simple. And then it's got 4 injectors in there, 80-pound injectors, but they got a cool annular discharge, which is a whole bunch of tiny holes inside the bore. So you get a lot of wicking of the fuel and then shearing as it hits the bottom edge for great atomization, mixing, right? Good throttle response.
And you can dial it in. It's good for 200 to 600 horsepower.
Yeah.
So it gives you a wide spread you could use something like this on, and it comes with everything you need to get the system working and operating correctly, like O2 sensors, right? Got the little bung O2 sensor, gets you that closed loop system, which is great for fine tuning.
We got the old unit stripped off, so now it's just a matter of kind of bolting on the new, connecting up to the new tank.